Hi, welcome back to my channel, Adulting with Novia. I'm Novia. So lately I've been feeling very reflective. And I'm not typically a journaler. That's not typically something that I actively do. But I've been feeling the need to do it lately. Like, I haven't really journaled anything like seriously since high school, because teenage angst. Anyway, I don't know. I just feel like there are things that I want to get out of my system, and journaling seems to be my best bet at this point in time. So that's where I am mentally. Now I could journal in my main bay here, my A5 Stology, because let's be real, I have like a billion blank pages back here to do so. But if you looked at my 2023 planner lineup video that I posted either late last year or earlier this year, I don't remember which, I'll link it up top if you're interested in watching it. You would know that I have this A6 Midori 1 day, 1 page diary. I'm sorry, my neighbors are mowing the lawn, so you may hear the lawnmower going by. How inconvenient is that? Anyway, so I have this 1 day, 1 day to Midori diary, planner, however you want to use it. And it comes with tabs, which is very convenient, one for each month. You got your nameplate page. You've got this title page here where it says, or what I call the flyleaf, it's the story of 2023, which would be very convenient for something like journaling. 2023 yearly overview, 2024 yearly overview, and then you've got about 13 monthly spreads in here, I think. Yep, 13 monthly spreads, because that's January of 2024. And then the rest of the sheets are, for the most part, blank. Now, I'm not going to say it's completely blank, because over here you have basically just time slots here, and then the rest of this is blank. You have like little brackets up here for you to put your dates or whatever you want to put, and that's it. So time slots if you want to do your schedule. You have some bullet points here up top if you want to make some points, and then the rest of it is blank, and you're supposed to have 365 of those pages. Now, originally I bought this as a buffer. This is supposed to be buffer number 2. Buffer number 1 is my standard size TN. I'll link a video up top over here so you guys can see my flip through of what my buffer is and how I use it and such. But it's May, and I have not touched it, and honestly, as of right now, I am pretty flippin' content with my A5 Stology bullet journal situation. So I don't want this to go to waste. It's dated 2023 in the back, so I feel compelled to use this in some way, shape, or form this year. So I figured when I started getting itchy about wanting to journal things and get things out of my system, this is what came to mind. So instead of like buying a new notebook and buying a new journal, I already have something like that. So what I'm gonna do is probably just try and do a little setup of this. It's not gonna be fancy. I don't need a whole bunch of ephemera or stickers or anything in my journal, because the whole purpose of it is for me to write in it. This isn't a creative journal. This isn't a journal where people just put a whole bunch of different pieces of ephemera and stickers and things on it and then just say, hey, it's a journal. To me, that's not journaling. That's collaging. You're making a collage. Like, let's be real here, right? To me, journaling is when a person is writing. Like, you can journal in a way where you document your day. You can journal in a way where it's like personal development. For me, in this situation, I think my journaling is going to be dealing a bit more with shadow work. Like, that seems to be what I am experiencing and having a moment with my shadow self. That's what I feel like I am experiencing right now. And I feel like the best way for me to delve into that and, you know, learn from it and overcome it is through journaling. So that's what we're gonna do with this today. I'm not feeling very chatty, to be honest. I'm just feeling a little, I don't know. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the Midori. I'm gonna actually, for once, use my Sterling ink subscription. This is the May one, which I received last month. So I'm gonna try and use a little bit of this. I can't use all of it because what I really want to do with these is redate a Hobonichi cousin from last year and probably use that as my work planner for next year. Does that make sense? I hope so. So I have to be pretty selective with how I use this, but I'm gonna use as much as I can to set it up for this month. The monthly, like how I'm gonna go about this, like the monthly, I don't think I'm gonna use at all. Like, it's not very relevant, and the spaces are so tiny that I'm not even really sure what in the friggity frack can I put in there. So maybe I'll just use this as kind of like a check off for days that I journal, you know, like I don't know, but it's not for memory. I know a lot of people use monthlies as memory keeping spreads with stickers and stuff, and that's really cute. But this isn't for memory keeping, it's for journaling. Maybe I can use it as a mood tracker. I don't know. Like, the possibilities are there. Mood tracking whether I'm journaling. Obviously, I'm thinking it's just going to be a tracker because it's so doggone, the spaces are so doggone tiny, and I do not write that small. Like, my handwriting is not pretty already. It's not aesthetic, and making it smaller doesn't make it any more legible than it is. So I'm probably going to use that to track something. But am I going to focus on that part now? No. But yeah, so we're just probably gonna do a little quick setup. Hi, Mochi. What are you doing, ma'am? Why are you climbing over? Get down. Don't talk back to me, ma'am. Lord, all the sass in this house. All right, so let's get started, shall we?